Meaning of expressiveness.
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 Expressiveness. Expressiveness refers to the ability of a language or system to communicate complex ideas or emotions in a clear and understandable manner. It is an important quality for artists, writers, musicians, and anyone seeking to convey something meaningful. In computing, programming languages are considered expressive if they allow for concise and flexible coding styles, enabling developers to express complex algorithms and ideas with minimal effort. This can improve productivity and reduce errors in software development. Overall, expressiveness is a key factor in effective communication and creative expression, both in art and technology.